This has been added as an item. Next thing we'll do, we'll go to inventory items and add that item. This has search functionality. There's a long list of items here, but I don't need to go through them one after the other. I just need to type W and H and it brings out that item I just added. For the unit of measurements, we have a bunch of options here. I'm just going to pick each. Minimum stock is what's the least amount of stock I want to have before I reorder. Maximum stock is what's the highest amount of stock that I usually buy. And reorder point is what amount will the stock get to before the system alerts me that I'm running out of stock. So we have different prices here that we can set for our products depending on the type of business that we run. We have unit price, so I'll just leave this at 2,000. Wholesale price, I'll leave it as 1,500, and retail price, I'll leave it as 1,800. Then I will just save. Supplier and description, those are optional. So my product has been saved. If I come here and type WH and click enter, you see it brings out this product. We have unit price, W, which is wholesale price, R, which is retail price or your reseller price. The next thing that we have to do is to add this item to stock. Over here where we added the item to inventory, on the same page we can click over here and add the item to stock. We have fresh stock, top up stock, but since it's new, I'm just going to click fresh stock and put 50 and save. We can add stock from this second tab in our inventory space, or we can go directly to stock transactions and do the same thing. There is the same thing, it's just that the one at inventory page is like a shortcut, so that when we are loading in items into our inventory, we don't start moving back and forth between stock transactions and inventory. So there's a shortcut here, but for bulk additions of stock, we have to go through this dedicated stock transaction page. We've already added it as fresh stock and we added 50. Now we are ready to sell. We go over to order